Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yes, I can.
Okay. I put all the trades, the ones that go against me, on my Telegram. I save them there.
Okay, open, let's see.
Let me see. Come. Okay. This is the first one. I think there are 4, right? Yeah. Okay, let me start with the NZDJP, NZDUSD. Actually send this NZDUSD on the group. I was looking to buy off this retrace candle to the upside. So when the candle closed, I actually bought. Come. Okay. Okay, I think I did screenshot down, but I'll use this image to explain it to you. I actually bought, and immediately I bought it from here, price started dropping to the downside, and then that's how it take me out. But when I went back to the chart after I took that loss, I observed I wasn't paying attention to the nature of how it broke out. And I think you posted something similar to that you were looking to sell it before the opens. So I wasn't paying attention to the nature of how it broke out. And when I went back to my chart, I observed that how price broke out, it broke out correctively. But I was only focusing on that impulsive leg, not looking at the nature in a whole of how it broke out. And that was what made me took a loss on that NZD USD.
Or in the group, you posted a buy, and I said it might sell, right?
Yes, even during the weekend when I posted the analysis, you said you are looking to sell it.
Okay, can you go back to your chart, please? I want to see
on Trading View.
Oh, go on Trading View. Yes, it opened the chart. Okay, I'm requesting control of your chart. Let me request control of your chart. Allow me to control your chart so I show you something.
I've approved it.
All right. Okay, so when we analyze during the weekend, we go to the monthly, right?
Yes.
Go down. We observe what price action is doing. Okay. So from the monthly, we can see that we have, let me show you this one. We have this trend line here.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a bit slow. It won't be perfect because I'm trying to speed up time.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. So can you see this expanding on monthly?
Yes.
Okay. Then we go to the weekly. So it's at a value. It's at an area where we're looking for sales because of the pattern that it's showing us.
Yes.
Check here. I'm trying to control. Even if you check here, the computer is responding very slow from my drawings. Okay, so from here we can see this already. I can see this. Can you see that?
Yes.
Can you see it? So
yes.
my saying I'll sell, we have a significant level somewhere here. Okay. somewhere here. Okay, yeah, somewhere there. Okay, and we have something somewhere here. Somewhere here. This way. So you look at where price has been turning. So on the first one that I drew, price dropped down. Okay, then it went up again, then it dropped down from that level. So we have two levels that we should watch for there. But price missed this one where it turned and it moved down. So from when it moved down, we look at what price is doing currently. You obviously you know this already. So that's how I'm breaking down this pair. Then we go to the daily. Okay. When we go to the daily, we will see that, wait. So the first point is we already know that it reached this high and it sold off.
Yes.
So we can either look for price to come back up to test these highs, okay? Or we can look for a correction going down. For example, here we have some sort of correction to go down. Let me show you.
Yes.
Here, okay? We have that correction to go down. Then if we look now, price then came back up, okay? It failed to break those highs. It fails to break those highs. So we have something like this. We have something like this so far. That, then we have that, okay? Then price came to break the lows. So what do we have? We have a high, a lower high, a lower low. We have a high, we have a low, we have a lower high, we have a lower low. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So price might be starting to trend going downwards. Okay. So let me remove these. Okay. Oh man, it's taking time. Right. So from that, we can say that we have a downtrend that is starting. So from what price is currently doing here, we identify now our patterns. If you look here, at what price is doing now, we have another expanding here. Okay.
Yes.
On that expanding, we also have a trend line that is down here. Right. Can you see this pattern?
Yes.
This expanding. So I was looking for price. We now have a double bottom, two bottoms here, and now we have a trend line that is going up. So I was looking for, obviously we look for sales at this high. That's why I was saying I'm looking for sales.
Okay, now I understand.
Can you see that? Then if you go down to the H1, oh man, this is my first time doing this with someone, so I have to figure out a way to make it faster. So that, probably I'll have to be sharing my screen so it doesn't drag. Because from my side, if I pull the chart, it's responding very slow. Okay, but that's fine. We will do it next time with a different way.
Okay.
On the next chart, we'll do it with my computer. Okay. So now, where I was looking for sales, when I was saying I'm looking for sales, obviously it's at this top, but there wasn't any sales here. So I let it go through. Okay. So if you zoom in, where were you looking for your buys?
Okay, I was looking for the buys around here. Here. Can you see it?
No, can you share? Can let's see on Telegram. Let's see on Telegram in your chat.
Okay, this was it.
Okay, I want you to see something here. If you look at this, open your Telegram. Open your Telegram. If you look at your analysis based on that H1. Is that H1?
Yes,
Based on
that's
that
H1.
H1, where is your green zone? Where is your amber zone? And where is your red zone?
The first flag there,
The
though the
first,
green zone is below the trend line. That's the place, the turning point where we start pushing to the upside.
yes. Okay.
That's the green.
So the trades that you want to get into are trades that
Was
are in mostly in the green zone. So from this bottom trend line going up, and the first flag that you drew here, which is
yes,
something I wouldn't take because it's not looking very good. But if you
yeah,
want to take it, this is the where you want to start to take your trades. Then this bigger flag, I wouldn't take it like this, because one, price has already moved away too much from the green zone. So
yeah,
it's in the middle of the amber zone and the red zone.
and the red.
So for you to increase your probabilities and chances of winning, you should mainly focus on the green zones. There are a lot of pairs that had green zones, okay, that you could take. So this one, in terms of your probability, it could trickle down, or it could touch the top trend line and still go down, or it could just
Yeah,
trickle and continue down, because it's too. If you check the H1 candles here, there are
yes,
too many weeks, and this green candle can be a trap for people to think it's a double bottom to start going up, yet price is still going down. Okay,
yeah.
even if you check on your left side, we have a strong level here. Can you see my mouse?
No.
You can see it?
Okay, I can see. Yeah, I can
You
see
see,
it.
yeah. So from
Yes.
this level here,
Yeah.
it's the same level here. So this is
Yes.
another reason why I wouldn't sell, or why I wouldn't buy this.
Yeah.
Because price came down here. Okay, can you still see my mouse?
Yes, I can see your
Price
mouse.
came down here, then it moved up. Okay, then from here it sold off to break this low. So it means there's power here to push price down. So if price comes back up there, why should I buy here when we have probably from here to here would be your exit point because of this high?
Yeah.
Okay, so with just saying that, it means that this trade is a low quality trade for me. So I wouldn't
Yeah.
want to buy this. I haven't
Yeah.
I haven't looked at the daily, the weekly, the monthly like we did, but from just looking at this chart, I wouldn't buy it. Okay.
Yeah.
So going back to this chart, we have now we look for sales. So now we look
Yeah.
for sales. I think I didn't get into any sell here because it didn't give me a setup that I wanted. So, oops, sorry. It didn't give me a setup that I wanted. So I didn't take this sell. So I was looking for a flag or an expanding or something, but it didn't come. So I didn't trade it. So I hope you see why I didn't take. Can you please draw your structure that you're looking for buys here? Can you just draw it?
Okay, on the chart.
Yes.
Can I wipe out the chart? Oh,
No. I just want to see where you're looking for your pattern. The pattern
okay.
that you saw.
Probably be somewhere around there, right?
Hmm.
So somewhere around there, I think so.
Hmm.
So somewhere around there. Since I can't even see it clearly here,
Hmm.
but it's on Telegram. Yeah.
So that
This
was
point.
from that impulse up. Okay, go back. It was around here. Let me show you. It was around here. No. I can't see it. I can't see it. All right. Anyway, that's fine. I've explained to you what you could have done wrong there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in terms of the valid setup, I think the setup is valid, is correct, but I would have preferred this. Let me show you. I would have preferred this large flag somewhere here. You see the area. It's about the area.
Yeah.
So from this area, I could move and take profit and lock in more profit when it gets to this high. Can you see? So if
Yeah.
this pattern was here, I would have taken it. Because we have a scoop, two scoops, we have two bottoms, we have a rejection candle. But now we have to be very careful with these rejection candles, because at times it rejects and still goes down, like what it did with you. So
Yeah.
when it rejects, especially when you don't have too much confidence, just wait for it to push up and put a flag there, then you enter nicely and go up.
Yeah.
If it leaves you, then that's it. You look for other trades. There's always opportunities in the market. So let's go to the other trade.
Second one was this one.
Mm.
And I think you can see we have the impulse to the downside and price market correcting. And then we have this and expanding. And then we have this previous high. Price came there. We got this high test candle, 1, 2, 3 touch of the expanding, looking to take it to the downside. And then as I took it, it came back to tag me out.
GBP AUD. Yeah, I think I took sales on this. I think I took sales on this, but I didn't take it where you took it. I then take it later on. I then took it later on when I posted this setup in the group, right? The sell I took, I posted it in my Telegram. Let me just open my Telegram. I posted GBP AUD. I took that trade. Copy media.
Okay, I think I've seen it.
You've seen it, right?
Yeah. Is it not this one?
Yeah, this one. So this is how I took it. So go back to yours. Yeah. Okay. This one I didn't take it because of